Hello everyone, my name is Mark and this is Marika.
And welcome to our channel, Touch of Magic. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button here down below. And if you like our channel, subscribe and discover more Disney related videos that we make.
Today we're gonna make some special for Halloween. I think of villains.
When I think of Halloween, I think of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. We've never been there. I really want to go. I really want to dress up. It's the only time of year that you can dress up in the Disney parks, which I would love. Would you?
No, I don't love it.
I really want to go as Maleficent.
You want to go as Maleficent?
I really like that. I really love the movies, the live actions.
So that sounds good. We're gonna make some Maleficent cupcake today.
Love that.
First we're gonna make our own decorations for the cupcake. And we need some stuff for the cupcake itself. We need some flour, some eggs, a little bit of salt, sugar, butter, and for the decoration some dark chocolate. First we're gonna make the decorations. Put on our portable gas stove. We can melt the chocolate au bain-marie. Oh, the water is boiling now. We can put the chocolate in. Do you think it's melted enough?
Yeah, I think so.
Take this from you. Put some cold chocolate in it.
To temper it. To make it the right temperature so you can actually do something with the chocolate.
I think the chocolate is right now. Need a spoon, one piping bag, and scissors. I made this on the computer with the horns. We need this one. It's hard plastic. First, we're gonna make some lines outside. That's what you're gonna make the orange.
So what we're gonna do now is put them in the fridge for a couple of hours so it can harden really good. Meantime,
we're gonna make our cupcakes. First we need the butter, some sugar.
Butter is at room temperature. It's way easier to mix it because you have to mix it in the machine, get a fluffy substance. Fluffy substance. Fluffy substance.
The butter is totally mixed with the sugar.
We need to wait until it's a fluffy substance and then we need to add the vanilla extract and the 2 eggs, but you can only add the second egg when the first egg is really taken in.
Put the second egg in it.
The second egg is taken in, so we're gonna use the dry ingredients. Flour, pinch of salt, cacao powder, baking powder.
You can put the dry ingredients. First the flour, a pinch of salt in it.
Some cacao chocolate powder.
1 teaspoon of baking powder. We will start mixing it together.
And in the meantime, I'm going to prepare the baking tray.
Do you think they are ready?
I don't think so. It's dry.
They are ready.
They are cooked.
Now they have to cool down so we can put decoration on it. Let's start with the buttercream.
The first phase, making a little substance of milk and flour. Sieve the flour in the pan. Then we have the milk and we need to mix it up.
Yeah.
Oh.
This one is ready now. We put them in a bowl. And now wait until it's cool off on room temperature. Let's start with round 2, buttercream.
First thing is to put the butter in a bowl. Make the butter a little bit warm so it's softened, so it's easier to work with it.
Put some powdered sugar and mix this together.
In the meantime, you can get your vanilla extract and your flour mixture.
Ready. I need a spatula.
Smells like butter.
It is butter with sugar. We can put the cooled down flour mixture in it. And what do we need more?
Vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. And then mix it together.
There it goes. I think it's mixed it up, so we can put it in the fridge for half an hour. Green one. Ooh, a little bit.
That sugar would make it green, I think.
As you can see, green is very good. I think it's a nice color.
Purple, yeah. I think it will do.
We need now 2 piping bags to put it in.
I prefer purple on the top.
So we can put the purple one on this one.
I really love this color.
Put all the green stuff in it.
I wish we had the gray stuff. Like here?
Yes, there. They are ready to eat. Let's try. This time.
This time, shove it in your face. Like this.
No,
What do you think?
I like it.
That
Yes.
was a big bite. This is really good. So, what are you gonna eat?
I'm gonna
This,
eat this one. This one is for me.
This one
And
for me.
these 2 are also for me. We're gonna make an end on this video. I'm gonna say bye, but first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.